How to use the magic mask in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get into it. Start by importing your footage, then come into the Fusion tab at the bottom and you will see this. Next, hold Shift Space on your keyboard and search for magic mask. Select the magic mask and then choose add. This will create this node in your nodes right here. Next, come and open up the inspector and this will bring you to all the tools and you should have the plus stroke mode selected. Next, start drawing a rough selection around your subject here. It does not have to be perfect because DaVinci is going to do a great job of the selection for us. Once you've done the selection, just let go of your mouse and then DaVinci is going to process that and essentially remove the background of the video here. You may have areas where the mask has taken too much out. In my case, it has here. You can play around with the plus and the minus to get this right. So we can draw in here to draw back in the shoe. If it has, for example, added in too much of the background, you can use the minus tool and then brush over the minus tool to get rid of it. Next, change the mode to better. This is going to ensure that we have the best kind of mask for our video. The refine range, I like to set this anywhere between 20 and 30 for best results. You may want to tweak this for your own projects. With that all configured, you can go ahead and click the play button on the tracking. Depending on your computer power, it might take a few moments to get started and it might take a while to process, but just give it a moment to do this. Once that's complete, we can come back over to the edit tab and we can see that it's pretty much masked out the background pretty well. We do have a little bit of a glow going around the subject. I'll show you how we can fix this. So just coming back into the Fusion panel here, if we come into matte, this is going to allow us to configure how this mask affects our footage. I'm just going to go back to my first frame here. And what we can do is change the blur, the erode, dilate, the gamma, the threshold. You can change all of these to suit what you need. So if we increase the blur, we can see the effect that is having on the outside of our edge here. I'm not going to give you specific settings as everybody's footage is going to be different. You're going to need to play around with it. So erode and dilate, if I bring this down, we can see this is cutting into our image. If I bring this up, we can see it's bringing in our background. For gamma, if I bring this down, we can see again it's cutting into our image. If I bring this up, I can see again it's bringing out of more of the background. Threshold, if you bring this down, this is going to bring in more of the background again. If you bring this up, it's going to get rid of your subject or object there. You do also then have the option to invert the matte if you want to. Now I've just quickly configured these settings for this specific video. Now if we go back into edit and play this video back, we can see that the magic mask has done a fantastic job of removing that background, and that's all there is to it.